We can also use the law of cosines to find missing angle measures within a triangle. So in this case, I have a triangle, a non-right triangle, and 3 side lengths are given to me. Again, you can try and use the law of sines. You'll see that it doesn't work. You'll come up with 2 variables within the angles. So we have to go to the law of cosines. So again, the law of cosine says c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. Again, we're looking for, in this case, the angle measure that we want to solve for, because the side length across from it is the one that's going by itself. So if I want to solve for this angle measure, x or m, I need the side length across, which is 8. C does not mean, I just want to make this clear, c squared does not mean the biggest side length. If I want to solve for q, I'm going to put the side length 3 by itself. Okay, whatever angle measure you are solving for, you need to find the side length across from that angle measure. So in this case, c squared is going to be 8 squared equal to a and b are 3 and 6. So 3 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 3 times 6 cosine of c. We need to be a little careful. Remember, multiplication always trumps addition and subtraction within our order of operations. So we cannot plug this all in at the same time. You can do 3 squared plus 6 squared, and you can do 2 times 3 times 6 separately, but not together. So that leaves us with 8 squared being 64 equal to 3 squared plus 6 squared is 45 minus 2 times 3 times 6 is 36 cosine of x. Again, do not subtract 45 minus 36 because I have 36 attached to the cosine of x. That's multiplication. So instead, we need to subtract the 45 over to the left. So 64 minus 45 gets us 19 equal to negative 36 cosine of x. Now to get rid of the negative 36, we're going to divide that over. So we have 19 over negative 36 equal to cosine of x. And to get x by itself, which is our angle measure, we're going to use the inverse cosine. So now we have the inverse cosine of 19 over negative 36 equal to x, which we can plug into our calculator. Second cosine, 19 divided by negative 36. We'll round this. I don't know if I can't remember. Let's look actually. It says nearest degree, so we're going to do that. If we go nearest degree, that would get us approximately 122 degrees for our angle measure. And if we look back up at our triangle, we were finding the measure of angle M. And we can see it looks kind of obtuse, and we came up with an obtuse angle. So I like our answer in this case.